Hello बच्चों, in this video I will discuss about neuromuscular blocking agents, introduction, classification, how they work, mechanism of action and elimination. Please note that sometimes these drugs are also referred as skeletal muscles relaxant. The base medicine is Curare and history of Curare is very old. Basically Curare is kind of alkaloid which is extracted from Chondrodendron tomentosum. Earlier the leaves of this plant were used for hunting in South America by tribal people. The main medicine derived from this plant is known as tubocurarine, but nowadays it is not in use. Classification of neuromuscular blocking agents. Basically इनको दो ग्रुप में क्लासिफाई किया गया है. पहला नॉन डीपोलराइजिंग ड्रग and दूसरा depolarizing drug. Non-depolarizing drug further divided into three subgroups. First one is a long acting, second one is intermediate acting, and third one is short acting. Long acting drugs are tubocurarine, doxycurium, pancuronium, and intermediate acting drugs are atracurium, cisatracurium, rocuronium, and vicuronium, and short acting drug is mivacurium. Whereas depolarizing drug, you need to study only one drug, that is succinylcholine. It is also known as succinylmethonium. The non-depolarizing drugs are not doing anything with the electrical charges, whereas due to depolarizing drug the membrane potentials become less negative. Indications. These drugs are basically used as anesthetics during endotracheal intubation, also used as muscles relaxant during surgery. Mechanism of action. Before understanding the mechanism of action of neuromuscular blocking agent, I want you to understand the role of acetylcholine. Since acetylcholine is very essential for voluntary movement, we know that acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter. It works at neuromuscular junctions. Acetylcholine triggers the firing of motor neurons and affects the voluntary movements. If I say in one line how neuromuscular blocking agent work, simply they block acetylcholine, so the firing of motor neuron stopped. In results, skeletal muscles paralyzed. Pharmacological actions. First, on skeletal muscles they produce weakness. Finally, paralysis of skeletal muscles occurs. On cardiovascular system, tubocurarine causes fall in BP, and pancuronium causes tachycardia and raise blood pressure, while atracurium causes hypotension. Other drugs like cisatracurium, vicuronium, and rocuronium have very low effect on blood pressure and heart rate. That's why they are preferred to use. On GIT, the ganglion blocking activity of competitive blockers may enhance, whereas on CNS, all neuromuscular blockers do not cross blood-brain barrier, so they do not produce any central effects. Here is the list of all neuromuscular blocking agents with recommended dosing, onset timing, duration of action, if they cause release of histamine, and if they block ganglion. Also how they affect on vagal nerve. Excretion. Rocuronium and vicuronium excreted by liver, whereas pancuronium, doxycurium and pipecuronium excreted by kidney. Please note that the atracurium and cisatracurium are eliminated by a unique process, and it is known as Hoffman elimination. Depolarizing drug. You need to study only one drug, that is succinylcholine, and succinylcholine is also known as succinylmethonium. Here you can note down the common side effects of neuromuscular blocking agents: flushing, rash, low blood pressure, increased heart rate, feeling dizziness, muscle spasm, and trouble in breathing. Contraindications of neuromuscular blocking drugs. Rocuronium and vicuronium excreted by hepatobiliary system, so they should be avoided in case of liver failure. Pancuronium, doxycurium and pipecuronium should be avoided in kidney failure. Atracurium and cis-atracurium are options in case of kidney or liver failure. These neuromuscular blocking agents get eliminated by the unique process called Hofmann elimination. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe, like and drop comments to support my work.